Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. Let's get started. First things first, if you are new to Spotify, you won't be able to see your personal Wrapped because Spotify needs at least 1 year of your listening data to generate your Wrapped. You can still see global top songs or global top artists, but your own Wrapped won't appear if you haven't been on Spotify long enough. If that's not the issue, let's continue. If you should have Wrapped but it's not showing, your app might be glitching. So head back to your home screen, open up settings. Inside settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Then simply search for Spotify and then tap onto it. Tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will delete the app, but it keeps its document and data. Once you do that, make sure to reinstall it after. After that, all you have to do is simply update the Spotify. Open up the App Store and then in the search bar, search for Spotify. If this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. A fresh update often fixes the issue instantly. That's it. Those are the easiest way to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.